Adventure starts now. Higher up means better harvest.
Gentle picks preserve the fruit. Teamwork makes it fun. The river looks peaceful today.
This tangle won't stop us.
Remember, rhythm over force.
You can do it, friends!
See the rhythm, Milo.
What a great day to explore! We did it! First challenge down!
Look, Luna, a surprise pear tree. This tastes like friendship.
What are these called?
These are daisies, and the purple ones are clover. Be careful up there.
This adventure is amazing! Whoa. This is bigger than I thought!
Pace yourself, Milo. Wisdom in rhythm.
Don't give up now!
Together, we find the balance. These flowers will brighten someone's day.
We conquered the challenge! Almost there, Wing! Keep going!
Follow the rhythm, everyone.
Last one! Just in time!
Safe and sound now.
Just as the rain starts!
We saved the harvest! Courage and wisdom, perfectly balanced.
The rain nourishes the earth now.
Our friendship made this possible.
Luna, ready for today's fun? The storm's past, time to share. Here's the harvest we say.
And teamwork brought us through.
Indeed, cooperation is key to success.
Thank you both. Celebrate the night, the sky is clear, our hearts are full of joy and cheer.
Let's celebrate! Enjoy the fruits of our labor! Look at that, Luna! Isn't this the best festival ever?
It really is beautiful, Milo.
What a day, Luna!
Look at this wheat. It's ready. But a storm's coming tonight.
Yes, and many more to come.
Luna, we have to harvest everything before the storm. And then we use the bucket to swing over the fence.
Yes, Milo. With wisdom and bravery, we can do this together.
We'll need these for the wheat.
Everyone, let work as one.
Yeah!